Hello all, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, before I start this video, I just want to talk about a simple sentence. If you really want to achieve anything in life, you just have to work on it. Similarly, in data science, if you really want to clear interviews, you definitely have to do amazing projects, which includes the entire life cycle of a data science project. It can be machine learning, it can be deep learning, it can be natural language processing, it can be computer vision. What if I probably give you the entire guide where my target is at least to upload more than 50 plus project completely end to end with all the ML ops tools like DVC, Bento ML, ML ops with end to end deployment in various clouds like AWS, Azure, and many more. Isn't it amazing? So considering this, because many people had actually requested me somewhere a week back, considering that I started working on this and started accumulating this entire guide. So here is more amazing end-to-end projects for you all at one place where you can refer with all the free videos, with all the materials and whatever things you specifically require. Yes, these all are now in just a click of this specific video. All the links will be provided in the description of this video. But let me just go ahead and show you the entire detail. But before I go ahead, I definitely want everybody's help to probably share this with all your friends and all family members, wherever it is possible, in all the WhatsApp group. One problem that I see that you do not value free content. Okay, so I definitely want to say that please value free content, and this kind of content that I have probably prepared is quite amazing. You will be able to see these projects that you probably will see over here, right? Tomorrow you go to any industry, you will be also working in similar kind of projects. So here it is. Here currently I have somewhere around 10 plus projects that I have noted. My target is specifically to make it 50 plus projects. I'm going to add Azure ML Studio, AWS SageMaker ML Studio, SageMaker Studio. Along with that, I also have plans with Kubeflow, Dockers, Kubernetes, everything is uploaded over here. Okay. So to start with, how do you refer this? As I have already shown you, how do you have to probably go into this? If you go to my GitHub repository that is given in the description of this particular video, there is a folder which is called as ML projects. And you can just see 15 minutes back, I have made this specific commit because I was preparing that entire thing. And here you go, the entire materials, complete ML projects, machine learning. When I say machine learning, I'm also including deep learning, NLP, and computer vision. Okay, the free videos and materials will be given in the description of that specific video, whatever video you are probably creating. Now, as you see one by one, all this specific project, you really need to go in this specific order because the first two projects are definitely for starters to intermediate. Now, when I just say starters to intermediate, you may be thinking it may be Jupyter Notebook project. No, it is a complete amazing end-to-end project with VS Code, code pipelines, along with different deployments like AWS, Azure, EC2 instance, many more things. So don't just consider that I'm probably going to show you projects just with respect to Jupyter Notebook or probably taking some specific data set, doing feature engineering. No, everything will be in the form of a pipeline. So in the first project, that is end-to-end machine learning project, here I've specifically focused on Dockers and GitHub Actions because these all are ML ops tools which will actually see GitHub Action is actually helping you to create a CI/CD pipeline. So one by one tool, probably if you go with respect to every video, one or the other tool I have specifically added with respect to ML ops. So the first project over here, you can probably see over here the focus will be on creating the entire pipeline, simplified pipeline along with Dockers and GitHub Action, right? And deployment will also be shown. Second project is basically an end-to-end machine learning project, and we basically say this as student performance prediction. This project I have like literally broken down into pieces. Everything has been explained in bit and tiny pieces wherein you will probably be able to see every line of code that I am probably writing, right? So for this too, you will get a clear idea of how to create a code pipeline, how to probably create the entire life cycle of a machine learning project in the form of pipeline, how to create the prediction pipeline, how to create a training pipeline, what are artifacts, how to probably handle feature engineering. Should we just only write it in Jupyter Notebook? How we can probably convert that into an object-oriented programming code, everything, how we can basically reuse the code, how should be your project structure, everything is probably mentioned in these two projects. But as you go ahead, then we have added deep learning projects with ML ops. Like over here you have chicken disease classification. Here is another end-to-end NLP project with GitHub action. Now see, here I've added ML ops with ML flow, DVC and all, right? So that project name is text summarization. Now many people, in some of the companies, when you specifically go, they also use clouds, and one of the famous cloud specifically they use is AWS. In AWS, right, you also have AWS SageMaker, and probably many people have asked me how to create an end-to-end project with respect to AWS SageMaker and make it to the deployment, right? So that entire project is uploaded over here. You can probably just click on the link of the YouTube video, everything will be visible over here itself. Not only that, every category, NLP, deep learning, machine learning, computer vision end-to-end projects. So here also you will be able to see these two videos are in part 1 and part 2. Then along with this, I have also added LangChain OpenAI project, end-to-end ML project with ML flow, and one more deep learning project. So right now it is 9. Probably till next week I'm planning to upload more videos, and there will be more than 20 plus till in the upcoming 2 weeks. Then probably in just a couple of months I'll make it to 50 plus projects. But what is the best advantage of why I'm probably giving you this? This can be a boon, right, to you when you probably go to the interview, where you probably go and explain something. You have multiple ideas. When you implement projects, when you see different kind of projects, when you see the entire pipeline, you get multiple ideas to talk into an interview, right, with respect to the challenges, how you basically solved it, and what all things you specifically have done. And this is what is basically required from any candidate over there. The hunger to learn something, the hunger to probably take a specific approach, and how you probably solved a specific problem. That is what the companies look at, right? Your basics are good, your everything is good, you have a good communication skill, and trust me, with this kind of projects, you will have a proper amazing interview sessions that will probably be going in the tech recruiters. And I've seen that from all of my students who have made amazing transitions, and this level of projects is the projects that people do in the industry itself. Trust me in this, guys. Okay, so finally, around more than 70% of the people have not even subscribed my channel, right? If you probably go and see in my community post, start valuing this kind of free content, guys. It will be important for you. My main aim is to democratize AI education. You should try to just share it with all your friends who are studying, who are giving interviews, who may not be able to clear, because this kind of boon materials will actually help you to do that. So yes, this was it from my side. I hope you like this particular video. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you and all. Take care. Bye-bye.